Hey guys, it's Sandy, and in today's video, we thought it would be fun to switch things up a bit and try something a little different. Julie will be checking out a kid's nail salon kit to see if the products in it really work.
Hey guys, it's Julie, and in today's video, I'll be trying out a kid's nail toy complete with a full design studio and tons of awesome accessories. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you want to see more reviews like this, and be sure to hit that subscribe button for more awesome CutePolish videos. The kids toy I'll be trying today is called the Real 8-in-1 Nail Design Studio by Crazy Art, and I picked this up off of Amazon. As you can see, the box says it comes with real nail polish, glitter, stickers, foil, gems, and other accessories. It also says that it lights up, so let's unbox it and see what all we get. Right out of the box, you get the base of the design studio with tons of little compartments. Next is the mirror-like piece that lights up. There's a little place for you to put 2 AAA batteries on the bottom, and then you can just easily pop it into the base. Now you can press the little on-tab button and it lights up. I was super surprised to find out that the lights are actually voice-activated.
Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to the CutePolish channel.
Now let's see what goodies we get with this set. Inside the box, you get a package full of lots and lots of nail accessories. And the cool thing about the design studio is that there's a little compartment for every single accessory you get. First, we have our 4 mini nail polishes in a blue, pink, lime green, and purple, and these go in the top left corner of the studio in these 4 little squares. Next, you get 2 nail art polishes in black and white, and these are the ones that come with a tiny metal applicator tip when you pull off the cap, and when you unscrew the lid, there's a medium-length striping brush. Also on the bottom of these polishes, there's a tiny little wire tool to unclog the applicator if you need to. And these fit up in the right corner of the studio in the 2 large circles. Next, you get these 2 funny heart-shaped wand things that are actually for holding the nail wheels. And you can put these on display in the corner slots of the studio. After that, they give you a small nail file that has a super sparkly pink glitter side and an adorable flower print on the other side, and this fits right into the file shape slot beside the middle compartment. Up next, you get 3 little vials of glitter in silver, blue, and hot pink, and these fit snugly behind the black and white nail art polishes. You also get a small little jar of blue caviar beads, and this fits right into the center circle compartment. The set also comes with a little jar of rhinestones in assorted shapes and colors, and this just goes right into the lower left corner of the studio. Next, you get a few different sheets of stickers. This one comes with a little black piece of paper so you can see the decals better. And I just laid this sheet of stickers right in the center compartment with the black sheet behind it. You also get 2 sheets of glitter decals in white glitter and pink glitter, and you can slip these into the slots in front of the nail art polishes. The set also gives you several sheets of nail transfer foil, including some pink ones, turquoise or teal colored, rainbow, and silver. And you can place these right in the tray in the bottom right, and to hold them in place, just slip the little heart tool piece into the slot above and it keeps the foil together. The kit gives you some tools for you to use, like mini tweezers, a mini spatula for the glitter I'm guessing, and a pink stick thingy that I'm thinking is like a dotting tool. And I just popped all of these right into the spot next to the nail file. To practice designs, the kit comes with 5 different colors of nail wheels. You get a baby blue color, 2 shades of pink, a white, and a clear one. And I just laid all of these on top of the foils for now. And the last few accessories that come with the kit are these nail vinyls in 4 different patterns, a baggie full of little suede strings and rhinestones that I guess are for making bracelets, but you'll see later I actually end up using these on my nails. And that's it! So now that we have our nail studio all set up, let's try some designs. I first wanted to swatch all of the polishes to see how they applied. The green polish was definitely on the sheer side, but the color was very bright and the coverage was even. The pink polish also applied smoothly, but still not super opaque. The purple and blue were definitely the most opaque of the set, but the formulas were on the thick side. I ended up doing 2 coats for all of them. Next, I'm just going ahead and filling in the remainder of the swatch wheel nails with all the colors. Now I'm going to be trying out the nail art polishes. First, I'll be using the white polish and the striping brush part to create some vertical lines on the green nail. Here's where you can tell the brush isn't as thin or as long as it could be, and the white polish isn't super pigmented. But it does have a pretty thin formula, which I prefer when doing nail art. Now let's try out the black polish striper. The brush on this one seemed to be a little thinner than the white one, but the formula was also very watery and sheer. Here I'm just making a grid pattern and filling in every other square to get a checkered print. I think with time, both of these polishes will dry out and thicken up a tad, and that's going to help their opacity a ton. Next, I'm going to try the pin applicator tip on the white polish. I was pleasantly surprised with how accurate and tiny this pin tip is. You can tell the polish is really runny, which is causing the petals of the flowers to pull together, but the applicator worked perfectly. For the center of the flowers, I'm using the funny stick thingy, which I'm assuming is like a dotting tool, and adding a green dot to the center of the flowers. You can kind of gauge the size of the dot by how much polish you pick up. Next, I'm trying out some stickers on the pink nail. Here I'm using some of the blue and purple stars and placing them in a diagonal fashion on the nail. To fill in the design a little more, I grabbed my white nail art pen again and added some tiny white dots in between the stars. The stickers worked pretty well, they had good color, good size, and were sticky enough to stick. Now we're going to try out the foils. For this, I'll be swatching on the baby blue nail wheel. The foil needs a slightly sticky surface to stick to, so here I'm using the dry brush technique and just giving the nails a few swipes with the blue polish. The trick is to keep the coats thin so that they dry fast. Then once that's dry, but still slightly tacky, I'm laying the teal piece of foil over top, shiny side up and gray side against the nail. I pressed it down firmly to make contact with all the sticky polish, then just peeled it off. And it works! I was actually really surprised that it worked because in the past, I usually have to use a nail foil glue to get the foil to stick, but this worked just fine. I'm repeating the process with the pink polish and pink foil, just going in between the areas of the teal foil. And lastly, I'm using the white striper and the silver foil to fill in the gaps. And if you wanted to, you can actually apply these fake nails to your actual nails. The set comes with a sheet of double-sided adhesive, and all you have to do is remove the nails from the nail wheel, apply the sticker to the back of the nail, then just pop it on your nail. They don't have the best fit, especially for me and my nails, but they're fun to play around with. So now that I've experimented with all the colors and accessories, I'm going to try some designs on my hand. And I'm going for a fun, colorful mix and match mani. Starting with my pinky, I'll be applying 2 coats of the lime green polish and letting it completely dry. You could even apply a fast drying top coat to speed up the time. Next, I applied the largest chevron nail vinyl over top. Make sure you press down all over the nail and in the sides so it's secure. Also, as you can see here, I'm using the little pink tweezers to apply the vinyl. After that, I applied a generous layer of the purple polish, and before it dries, I carefully peeled off the vinyl, leaving a super cute chevron design. Moving on to my ring nail, I'll be applying 2 coats of the pink polish and letting it dry. Next, I'm grabbing the dotting tool again and dipping it into the purple polish, then I'm making groups of dots over my nail for flower petals. I tried to do at least 3 dots for each flower. I couldn't decide what I wanted to do for the centers of the flowers. First, I tried making clusters of white dots with a nail art pen, but then I thought that it looked kind of plain, so I added some dots outside the flower to fill out the print. I also decided to add a black dot to the centers, but then I just didn't like how it looked at all, so I decided to go back over it and make a large white center, and then I added clear rhinestones to a few of them. And I think that looks pretty cute. What do you guys think? It'll also tie in the other rhinestone nails later. Moving on to the middle nail, we'll be doing a pink to blue glitter gradient design. I started by painting the top half of my nail with the pink and the bottom half with the blue polish. It doesn't have to be perfect at this step, we'll be adding a second coat later. Now make sure both colors are completely dry and you can apply a second layer of the blue polish. Before the polish dries, go ahead and sprinkle some of the blue glitter over top. I like to very lightly press down the glitter to make sure that it's sticking to all the polish. Then I just swept away the excess with a fan brush. Next, apply your second coat of pink polish, but go over the edge of the blue glitter just a little. This is going to give you a smoother transition. Now just sprinkle on the pink glitter and once again, sweep away the excess. Then you can apply a couple coats of top coat to smooth out the glittery texture, and that's it. To ground the mani a bit, this next nail will be kind of plain, but it'll still tie all the nails together. I applied 2 coats of the purple polish to my index nail and let it completely dry. Next, I added a layer of fast drying top coat to seal in the color and add a beautiful shine. After that, I added a little dot of nail glue to the center of my nail, then applied a light pink rhinestone heart. I'm noticing now that this rhinestone heart actually has a little chip out of the edge, but it's still pretty cute. And for the thumb, we'll be tying all the nails together with a glitter rhinestone combo. I began with 2 coats of the green polish, and before the second coat dried, I grabbed the silver glitter and sprinkled it over top. Again, give it a little press down, then you can sweep away the excess. I went ahead and applied top coat off camera, and now I'm just grabbing the rhinestone bracelet from the beginning, peeling off the backing, and lining it up on my nail. I trimmed off the excess, and that's it. If you wanted to make sure that the rhinestone strip lasted, you could also apply some nail glue beforehand. So, was this nail toy a hit or miss? I think it was definitely a hit. Not only is it just fun to play with, but you get tons of accessories that you'll be able to use over and over again, as well as some decent quality polishes. If you're just starting out with nail art, this design studio will give you some tools and supplies to help you out and get you going. And if you liked this video, I also have one on my channel where I create a full manicure using just kids nail polish. So click the info card to check it out and see if you can take the challenge. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below for more awesome CutePolish videos, and check out my nail art channel in the description box below.